Hi y'all, so I'm taking this entry right here. So it's with the very bearish momentum. Second entry short right off the key entry point. Short-term trend line played out with a break in a new high.
Order
So
filled.
there we go. I'm gonna go for 1 to 2 on this trade. I mean, look at the crazy momentum. It's just I can't go for less than 1 to 2. You know, it's just look at this momentum down. This is just crazy good. And today's a really, really good day for me. I mean, I'm kind of upset because there's these three trades with the blue circles. I didn't take any of them. I watched them go by, and I kind of got a little messed up in my head, like emotion-wise and everything, because I I was just about, if I had won this trade, then it would have put me up more points than I've ever been up in one day before. Um, but I ended up getting stopped out, and so that didn't happen. So then I was just like, are you kidding me? I would have just beaten my record before. But but yeah, I did not, and so I got stopped out, and so then that made me very annoyed because I thought that I was just gonna beat my profit record. But anyway. And so then this trade here, with after this red bar formed, I wanted to enter on it, but I literally couldn't pull the trigger on it because it was just, I wanted to be up more than I've been up in a day. It was just not a good thing to be thinking about while trading. But yeah, I kind of got emotionally screwed up here because after the loss, it just became hard to pull the trigger on these trades, and it was because I wanted to be up more than I ever have. But I've calmed down. It's gone. It's past now. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm still up a lot of points today, even with missing all these trades and the loss. And so I'm glad I can record this trade for y'all. But anyway, um, yeah, I hope to make up that loss right there, which it's not even a very big loss. It's just 2.25 points. And on this trade, I'm basically making back my loss and then double basically on this trade right here. Or that's what I'm going for. but yeah, so anyway, second entry short, the uptrend played out, and I already explained it, but I'm just gonna let the trade play out now. Hope it doesn't take too long. I don't like to see that, but okay. Okay, that's not fun to look at. I hate that. Dang, it just went one tick from the stop. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly make sure everything is right with this trade. Generally, I think if it goes one tick from your stop and you win, it's probably still not a good trade, is generally what I think. So I'm just gonna try to figure out if there's anything that I missed with this trade. One's it's not really confirmed, this channel. And if it was, then it would just be the second attempt lower, so that would increase the chance. Let me... Yeah, usually, I mean, it doesn't happen very often. It's actually been quite a while since it's gone one tick from my stop and then wins. But usually, whenever that would happen, I would feel pretty unsatisfied with the trade. But but I mean, here's the thing. Right now, even like I can still tell it's a decent entry, even though I haven't even won yet, and might not win. But I mean, it's a second entry short with the uptrend playing out inside of a extremely bearish day, which I can draw this. I don't know how I didn't get this before. We could be in this downtrend. Well, I mean, we are clearly in this downtrend, actually. So I'm not going to say we could be when we are. But about these lows, this is what I was... So look at these lows. It is... Okay, they could be here. But it holds more here, but it has this overshoot. And then it held here, basically. Technically overshot, but I mean, that's basically holding. But, and yeah, and so... Yeah, and when you come off the one end of a channel, you are expected to reach the other side, just like in a range. When you come off one side of a range, you're expected to reach the other side, unless the trend going towards the other side plays out in the middle of the range. It's the same deal here. And so we have the uptrend coming from this short-term uptrend, coming off the lows of this downtrend. And then we have a first attempt higher, where I entered. So first attempt higher, and now it could just be making the second attempt higher before the failure, because that's not uncommon. Yeah, I didn't really notice this downtrend. I mean, dang, that's kind of embarrassing, because that's like a big downtrend that I didn't notice. But, yeah, but anyway. Either way, even without noticing this downtrend, I mean, even without it, like, it wouldn't have changed, it wouldn't have really affected any of these trades. You'd still take them the same. So, whatever. Okay, here we go. Yeah. I feel like I could have... I don't like how it has to go through these range lows now. I'm gonna leave my target there because, I mean, it did break out there before. So, I'm not gonna change my risk to reward just because of this downtrend that has breakouts, and it also didn't hold very well here, so whatever, I'm just gonna leave my target there. Okay. I would like to get out now, please. And also, so yeah, I do want to mention, so I think I might have not completely analyzed properly when I took this trade, I'll admit. But then here, I think that this trade right here, now that I have this downtrend drawn, now that I'm sure everything is analyzed, I think that this trade is a better trade than this. because you get the 2 clear attempts to make a new high, and then it ends up closing down below the EMA. And so, you get that, the uptrend played out with this downtrend. So, and then the entry just happens to be the exact same entry as my bar that I entered on. So, anyway, I think this right here looks like a better entry. Or actually, I can't mark it yet because I don't even know. When it gets close to the target, I'm gonna take a screenshot for the thumbnail. Which I don't know if this, because it makes a flash on the screen when I take a screenshot. I don't know if it shows up in the videos, but okay. So yes, if I win this trade, so this is 5 points. So if I win this trade, then I'll be up 29 points today. I might make this, I was thinking about just going into the chart lesson, right, I don't want to call it a chart lesson, but it's more just me explaining literally what I saw today. And I was going to just start doing that after this trade ends, but it's going on for a long time, and I don't want to pause the video. I just want to so I'm thinking I'm just going to upload this video as a trade, and then I'm going to make the regular next video right after, or right at 2. But hopefully this trade finishes up soon, because this is, it's been 14 minutes, so I'm not gonna add this video. I'm not gonna go into the chart review after this trade. I'm just gonna make a new video to do that. But yeah, these right here, these 3 trades, I don't know. Because I was really tilted after this, which that doesn't really happen very often. I'm usually very, very cool while I'm trading, so I just got more tilted than usual. I just couldn't pull the trigger on these trades for some reason. But now I've got this one going, so we'll see what happens. You know, I believe it's a pretty good looking trade, so hopefully we get our target filled soon. Alrighty. Come on. Okay, now it doesn't even have to go through the channel to fill. So that's actually good. I'd like to just get out. Let's go. Alright, looks like it's trapping down. Hopefully they get stopped out. Oh, here we go. Come on, come on. Oh god, are you kidding me? Come on, one tick. Oh my god. Alright, there we go. We're out. Yeah, it scared us there for a little at first, but yeah, yeah, if I had another loss after that, that would have been pretty annoying, but I still would have been up over 20 points, so, you know, whatever. I do think it's a good looking trade. I'm not gonna lie, I really did miss this channel. For some reason, I just, you know, because I focus on the big picture stuff, so it's kind of embarrassing I didn't get that very fast, but, anyway, I do think it's a good trade. It did go one tick from the stop. This is definitely a better entry. If I had noticed this coming off the lows of this downtrend, you know, I probably would have just waited on another attempt because, you know, once you come off one side of a channel, you are expected to reach the other side unless prices prove otherwise, and you do have this bullish bar. Just maybe I should have waited on something else, but, you know, if you didn't take this entry here, this entry looks amazing right here. But anyway, so I'm just going to end this video now and get this uploaded. And I'm just gonna make the regular video. I think I'm gonna trade for a little bit longer, so I might make the video later, but it's gonna be pretty soon that I'll release it. So, anyway, I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all later today.